Stay still.
I'm trying. I'm there in my stomach because I'm fat.
No smoke, no poke. There's a lot of room for activities in here.
Huh?
There's a lot of room for activities. Tonight we're going to do a line dancing class.
Again?
Yeah? You said you liked it.
It was good exercise.
We're not doing line dancing classes. I'm sorry, Jack. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Shit. We're not really. It's putting another battery on because, as we mentioned before, the battery was really flat. So he's just going to chuck that on. And then what we're going to do in this video is we're going to work through the problems that's left on the 350 because it is Thursday and it is going on a trailer on Monday to be painted. So we've got to be really, really fast. So we haven't had time, we're not going to have time to get an MOT on it before it does go, which is what we really intended and wanted to do. So we're going to have to sort that out when it comes back, but we are going to drive it and that to the MOT. So there'll be some videos on that, maybe some GoPro footage actually. We've got GoPro, haven't we? We could do some of that sort of stuff. So it's probably low on fuel as well actually. Do you reckon we might have to put a tenner in it or something?
For MOT, yeah, it's going to need some.
Not just that, for when he's moving it down there.
Probably.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. We can't leave him like that. So I'm gonna put Kuba's details on the screen. He's gonna be painting it. Obviously, I'll put his details on in the next video as well. So appreciate that, mate. Thank you very much. I think it might need fuel now. Yeah, I think it needs fuel. There we go. We're gonna get some fuel. It's a lot more quieter now, but thankfully it drives. So we're gonna get it in. We're going to look at that coolant temp sensor. We've got another one that we need to put in. We've got to sort the strut brace out. We're going to try and sort the spoiler out and some other little bits as well that we need to sort out before we do sell this car. After we do sell this car, we're going to buy something else to do the process again. And if you are watching this as well and you're after some Corsa content, there is a video on the Corsa coming up after all these 350 videos. We just want to get these all out of the way and on show. And we are also now forging the 1.4 turbo Corsas. So that's in the Astra J, the Adam, Corsa E 1.4 turbo and Corsa D 1.4 turbo. So if you want anything, drop us a message down below. There's like a little bit of an extender thing on there, isn't there?
Yeah.
I know they're prone for snapping, aren't they? So we're going to sort this out and make sure it's actually nice and tidy as well. We need to obviously put the surround back over there as well. We need to put the strut brace on. We need to sort the air filter out, that coolant sensor. It needs bleeding up as well, don't it? And these are a bastard to bleed up. Just one job after another, but these are what's got to be done. We're going to get some new plates as well, so they're all fresh. The one for the back, it's not on, but it's battered somewhere. Yeah, it's down there. It's really, really bad, so that's definitely not going back on. Just want to make it look as fresh as possible. Can somebody tell me what the fuck this is? It's on the inside of the window, but there's nothing there. What? What's actually made that? Oh, we do like to be beside the seaside. Who needs tools when you've got hands for wrenches?
Loose.
Vice grip! Ah! You're gonna go that way. It's fine, Jack.
What, you broke? Oh no.
When do I don't break anything.
You want me to tighten them down, yeah?
It's probably going to be wise. Jack!
Yeah?
Do you know how that bolt just magically dropped?
You?
No, right, look.
Right.
It's blaming me, but it was here, okay? It was here.
You working in that area?
I'm not obliged to answer that. Anyway, it was here, right? And I was over this side. I may have been using the dead blow to make this line up a little bit. And then, it don't line up. We'll get to that in a minute. But it rolled from here all the way down here. And now, the bad boy is...
You found it?
Yeah. Hold that there, please, Jack. Thanks. Oh shit. This way. Wait. I mean, you can see that little glinty thing right there. The fucking thing's there. Wait.
How did it get there? Rusty, what have you been doing with it?
It's there, look. See the glint? It's there, look. There's a bolt.
How?
Whoa, that's really zoomed in on your face.
How?
What do you mean, how?
How did you do that?
I mean, like I just said, the dead blow. But this is what I was talking about for people, right? Just say, no, look, this is how it's lining up. Oh, you can't even see it. That looks like it's lining up, but it's really not. It's like here. So I'm going to go and hit it again and lose some more bolts.
No.
It's running. Jack's bleeding it up. It's found a new way, so there's a bleed pipe on the back, and these are a BASTARD, aren't they? Wait, did I spell that right? Yeah, so to bleed up. Now, it's swapped the coolant temp sensor over. This is the old one, so let's just get this one here, and we can get a better look. You can see there it's really chewed up, so it's seen better days. That's why it's not reading anything. VQ power! Oh.
So quiet on idle.
It is, isn't it? But then when you rev it, it's just a beef. It's a beefcake.
What did you just say?
Said it's a beefcake.
The heaters are hot already now.
They're gonna be revving it like that.
No, I mean, you used to have that airlock issue in that.
It's fixed by going the indirect route, isn't it? I like how we're getting this done really fast. Makes a change because. Shall we tell them why we can get it done really fast?
No.
Because if they didn't know, we can forge a Corsa VXR in about 4 days now.
Oh, that bit, yeah.
Including a rebore as well.
Yeah.
Oversized pistons, new gaskets, you know, head skimmed, crank polished. Professionalism, that. Or retardism. No, professionalism. Bit of both. So it just gives us a little bit more time now to work on our own stuff, which is fucking yummy. Don't ask questions you don't want the answers to. Anyway. Now we've changed the battery and the coolant temp sensor. We've got no lights, obviously there's fuel light, seatbelt light, got my door open and obviously bonnet's open. Handbrake is on as well. Oil pressure looks good. It's 61 kilometers, so that is 106,000 kilometers, not miles. Oil pressure looks good. Yeah, like I said, battery voltage is all good. I think that battery was part of the issue, like a lot of the issue.
And the temp sensor.
Yeah, 100%. Going to.
Only slight.
That is a slight, but it's a beast. Oh, we're cooking. Jack, you making steak? It looks like you're making steak. Oh, that's the only problem with these cars. Bleeding them up is, I mean, it's really difficult. Some people lift the front end up to do it. Some people say point it downwards. There is bleed nipples on it to help and assist that, but they're an absolute nightmare to actually bleed up. This is the issue we've got with the spoiler. So it moves a lot, and that is because the bolt just there just snapped. So we're going to see if we can sort that out and see if we can secure it a bit more as well. And I'm going to move because I'm about to get blasted. Alfred. We've switched to daylight.
Yes.
Some more Harry Potter style. And some even more Harry Potter style. Watch this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that.
Dirty.
That's really bad. Ugh. So we're going to take this off for Cuba ready. Oh my god, they've even done under the spoiler.
Have they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's doing much skill.
Just a bit of advice for anybody that's trying to stick a spoiler on. You're supposed to take 3M tape cover off.
Well, it does have bolt holes.
Oh my god, it's still sticky.
I might drill them out and riv knot them.
Yeah, well, that's the plan in it. We're gonna secure this. Well, that wasn't the plan, but the plan is to secure it. We need to secure the spoiler to the car. Or shall we just do that when it comes back from paint?
I think make it so we can bolt it on and it sits nice, and then take it back off for him.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. So we'll put that in the car then, can't we? And
Yeah.
just do it that way. Yeah, because he's gonna have to paint underneath here and sort all this out. Because look at the state of that. That's as bad as the rest of it. You can see on camera the wavy lines. It's really, really bad. I honestly don't know what they've done with this car. So we're going to go ahead and sort that out.
Oops.
You perpetual beast.
Yes.
And then we've got to sort the boot struts out as well, haven't we?
Yeah,
Because
I don't know why I'm trying to protect the paint on this spoiler, because it's
it's just habit.
yes.
But look, it don't stay up. So we've got some boot struts, some spare ones anyway. Actually, we've got all the spare stuff lying around, haven't we?
Yeah. It's good.
Which it's good having a garage, isn't it? We've just running a thread chaser through it because we've realised that with some of these holes, I don't think they're going to be strong enough to put a rivet in, are they? I think they're going to end up snapping. This one at the bottom, we can't reuse this, can we either? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to just thread chase them and bolt them back up, kind of as they was, but with some better bolts. Because the bolts we actually took out was
Screws.
they weren't even bolts, were they? They were screws. So they weren't even self-tapping screws though either, was it?
No.
They're just a mishmash of screws. One was a bolt actually. Well, yeah, one was a bolt, wasn't it?
Yeah, just one.
But we're gonna
Oh, this one
sort
might
that.
be saved. This one might be saved.
Oh, that's good. 3 out of 4. I'll take that. Because usually our look, it's like 4 out of
It's
0.
that one that didn't have a bolt in there.
Yeah, that was the one in question. So we might just have to recreate another hole and drill through the boot again, won't we? But we can do it. It's fine.
I'll see what I can do.
It's okay. Because it's an import. It is an import. All the comments on that video that said it's an import. My guys. We're a little bit confused because it's holding itself up. We have a feeling that the weight of the spoiler is the thing that's actually pushing down. So I don't actually think we need to replace the gas struts. I don't think that's an issue. Do you?
Nah.
So, I think we're just going to have to leave that because there's no point. If we change them for some more gas struts, maybe it's just the spoiler that's too heavy for it.
Fuck it.
I don't know. Reattach spoiler mission complete. It's got 4 bolts in there, holding it nice and tight. See, don't move anymore. That's what we like. Got that sorted. That's one thing off the list. We do need to go and fetch some plates for it as well, which we're going to do at some point, maybe tomorrow. We'll probably do that. What's now? That's it, isn't it?
Probably going to get the plates now.
Is that it?
I think so.
Yeah, we've done it.
Oh, oil needs topping up.
Yeah, we can do that. That's it. Oh my goodness. On that note, we're going to go and get the plates now. We're not going to put them on the car, obviously, though, because it's going for paint. So next video you'll see, this thing will be going for paint. You'll see it already painted when it comes back as well. And we're probably going to take it for an MOT, aren't we? So we're going to get that all out of the way and get that sorted. Yeah, and you're going to come along for the journey with us. It's been eventful. It's been quite pleasing though, hasn't it, really?
Pretty quick.
Yeah, that's pretty quick. Yeah, it is pretty quick. It's hard to say in terms of like.
Oh, did we need to show them the temp sensor?
Yes, let's show them the temp sensor. We will show you the location of the temp sensor. But yeah, it's been quite quite quick to be honest. This car's been in here like what, 3 times?
Yeah.
I think this is the 3rd time, and it's only been in here for about an hour and it's finished.
Oh,
So
and I did put your strut brace on.
yeah, I did put the strut brace on.
I'll put your strut
No,
brace
after
on.
you lost the bolt, there's no video evidence of me losing a bolt. After you
Is
lost
there
the
not?
bolt, oh shit. Anyway, let's show them the bolts that I put in. Look, they're right there and just right there.
Hold up, let me get rid of my thing. You're telling me the KFC for free.
What? Guess where we're going?
There.
Where are we saying there?
Where that plug is, right there.
Wait, hang on.
You can't see anything. Where's the pointing stick?
The green plug.
No, it's a grey one. There.
Oh, there we go. Wait.
That one.
The pointing stick
There.
is the zoom on the Camaro. That one right there.
Hi.
That's it. So, it's on the back of the engine. I mean, it is a bit awkward to get to, but you can get to it, can't you?
It's alright.
So,
if you struggle to get to it, it ends up like this.
yes. Not mentioning any names, and I know you're watching. I know you're watching. I know you're watching.
It's okay then, we sorted it.
We're going to buy another car after this. Obviously, this isn't the end of this one. There's going to be another episode or video of this. And then after that, there'll be a Corsa video. But in the meantime, we are going to look for another car. Could do it all again. Could be a Nissan, could be an S13, could be an S14, could be an S15, could be a Skyline, could be a Supra, could be anything. It could even be a Volkswagen. It could even be a VXR. It could even be...
But what it's not going to be is a Subaru.
Yeah, it's not going to be a fucking Subaru. Somebody commented on the page earlier saying, why don't you Ford Subarus? You'd have one in every 5 minutes. And I commented back saying, there's just some things not worth our time.
The thing is though, is we can do all.
Yeah, we can, but again, things aren't worth our time. So like, comment and subscribe.
But if
We'll
you
see you in
want
the next
one
one.
doing though, message us.
Are we going to stoop that low?
You're taking it out.
Ah, fuck that. Yeah, I'll take it out. I'll lose all bolts.